Welcome everyone to today's session on control statement in C. This topic is fundamental for anyone learning program because it teaches us how to make our code behave differently based on conditions. We will spend the next 30 minutes exploring the different types of control statements, how they work, and where to use them. What are control statements? Control statements are instructions that determine the flow of controls in a program that allow a program to make decision, repeat tasks, or jump to different sections of code. Without control statements, a program would only execute in a straight line from top to bottom. There are several types of control statements in C. If else if ladder, switch, nested if. Each of them serves a specific purpose and used to in a different scenarios. If statement. The simplest form of a control statement is the if statement. If if executes a block of code if a specified condition is true. Example, int a equal to 10, if a greater than or equal to 0, open the bracket, print a positive numbers and close the bracket. If else statement. The if else statement adds an alternative path. The condition is false. The else blocks executed. Example, int a equal to -5, if a greater than or equal to 0, open the bracket, printf positive, close the bracket, else open the bracket, printf non-positive. Nested if else statement. If we have if else statement within either the body of an if statement or the body of else statement or in the body of both if and else, then this is known as a nesting or if else statements. The general form of nested if else statements is follows. Else if ladder statement used to evaluate multiple conditions in sequence. Only the first true condition block is executed. Example, if mark greater than or equal to 90, printf grade A. Else if mark greater than or equals to 80, printf grade B. Else if printf grade C. Switch statement. The switch statement compares one variable to multiple constant values. It is cleaner and more readable than multiple if-else statements. Example, switch day, open the bracket, case 1, printf Monday, break, and default printf invalid day, close the bracket. Common mistakes to avoid. Forgetting curly braces in multi-line blocks. Missing break in switch statements. Misplaced semicolons after if condition. Deeply nested if can make code hard to read. Practical tips. Use switch for menu-driven programs. Prefer else if for checking ranges. Use nested if only when logically necessary. Use meaningful conditions to improve code readability. Summary table. Control statement manage flow of program execution. Use appropriate statements based on logic. Practice different scenarios to get comfortable. Real world use cases. If check if a user is logged in. If else check if a student passed or failed. Else if assign grades. Switch menu selection in apps. Nested if complex systems like ATM. Condition expressions in C must evaluate to a boolean. Non-zero equal to true, 0 equal to false. Use comparison operators equal, not equal, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Use logical operators and or not. Best practices. Keep conditions simple and readable. Use parentheses for grouping complex expressions. Avoid deep nesting. Include default in switch. Use break properly. Differences between if else and switch. If else, more flexible switch, cleaner for discrete constant values. Switch is a faster in some cases. If else is a better for complex logic. When to use what? Use if for simple logic. Use else if for multiple conditions. Use switch for fixed values. Use nested if for dependent decisions. Debugging tips. Use printf statements to trace logic. Always initialized variables. Check logical conditions carefully. Compile with GCC wall to get helpful warnings. Quiz. What does this print? Int a equal to 5 if a equal to 10. Print true else printf false. If prints true because a equal to 10 is an assignment not comparison, use equal to for comparison. That wrap up our 30-minute session on control statements in C. Keep practicing and try to build small projects using different types of conditions. Understand how to control the flow of your programs, a major steps in becoming a proficient programmer.